All right, I want to take a moment and introduce you to the lint changes command that we've introduced for local development, how to use it, and some of the options that you can apply for it. So the first thing we want to do is make sure we're in the correct directory. So I am starting from my analytics repository at the top of my analytics repository, but I'm not yet in the virtual environment. So first thing I need to do is to get into the virtual environment with make run dbt. Now that's processing. The setup for this is that changes have been made to the date details source model and the date dim model. And I would like to run the linter on those models to make sure that I am doing my best to meet the SQL style guide. Great. So that has processed. And so now that we're in the virtual environment, the command is just make lint models. And what this will do is it will identify the models that have changed and then send them with the lint command. And you can see the full command here that it is processing. So that'll take a few moments to recompile the dbt job, and then check those models. This lint models option this lint models command does have one option, or a couple options. The primary one will be to pass it the fix command. We'll show you that in a moment. The other option is to pass it just a singular model. By default, it will run the lint option on all changed models. But there are options there, and you can find the details of those within the documentation in the handbook. Just a moment. The longest part of this is usually the compiling process, as dbt has to do a full compile when you want to lint. There we go. And then it's finished. And that is how you lint. If you wish it to fix, say you know there's going to be a lot of changes that you need to fix, you just send the fix true option. And this is also an example of how you would pass it the name of a single model. So if I were to execute this command, it would look only at the dim date model and apply any fixes that it could at the same time. Thank you.